This is the original Octo scale bead we did a few years ago.
Maybe it's time for an upgrade.
First, we're going to give him longer tentacles, and then we're going to pimp him out with a pirate hat and a sword. Pretty happy with the way this looks so far. Now it's time to add the legs.
Yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah!
I'm guessing you know, we're not really adding legs, we're adding tentacles. Time to start on those suckers. This Octo skull, we're going to add a pirate hat, and also he's going to have a little sword.
Sword, sword, sword!
Check that out. That is a tiny sword.
You have my sword.
And I'm gonna need a hat.
This hat's starting to look pretty cool, but we're going to add a lot more detail. Sword's done, hat's done, and this little sea creature is done. So let's get it on the tree and get it cast. Got it on the tree, so let's head to the casting room and get this thing cast.
24 hours later.
We're just going to wait for the flask to cool a bit, and then we will quench it in a bucket of water and we'll see what we've got. What we cast. The other day we cast the Octo skull, and now it's time to clean it up because we're going to take some molds of this design. So we're also going to take some molds of the pirate hat and the sword. These little guys are ready to cast. Before I head to the casting room, maybe you guys might want to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Hat's on, sword's on, now we're ready to stick this in the tumblers. It's out from the tumblers and it's looking super shiny. Next we're going to add some patina to highlight the details.
I'm
I am. I'm a pirate, yes I am. The pirate life for me. I search for treasure high and low, high and low, high and low. I search for treasure high and low. I search the seven seas.
It's a pirate's life for me.
And I
You might want to watch this next.
shall I raise the pirate flag?